to this week's video. I'm in the car with my mom, and we are driving to take my senior pictures. There's someone right next to me that is awkward. We're on the interstate, and I always have my hair and makeup done. Aha. Excited, super ready. We're taking pictures at Gardens. This is what the fit is. You'll probably get some behind the scenes footage with my mom. I wanted to put my tripod kind of and do like a time lapse, and then I was like, no, we were rushing out of the house, so I was like, too late. I'll just vlog my phone, and my mom can vlog some pictures of some stuff behind the scenes of me on my phone. So this is just a phone video for now. I'm a senior rep for Beyond Gray. If you live in Louisiana and you've heard of her, she's amazing. I'll leave all her links down below if you're interested in just seeing her work, and not even if you live in Louisiana and want your senior portraits with her. Yeah, that's about all that's going on right now. Well, at least she turned it off. Just got my hair stuck in the fan. Update, you guys saw some clips my mom filmed vertically. I didn't even introduce Lauren yet. I forgot because we were in the middle of taking all these pictures, and right now we're going towards the front sunflower field. Got my sunflower dress on. Got little earrings. Yeah, this is the last outfit. I'm so excited. I don't know if I'm gonna include some pictures in this video because then I have to wait for her to edit them. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I might include some preview ones that she has sent me or whatever, but then the real ones we posted on the gram, throughout the school year, because that's how we do it. That's how the girls do it. Yeah, so I'm gonna introduce her. My outfits have actually been really good this whole time, except for right now because we're blasting cold air, so it's making my nose run. But other than that, I'm really surprised I haven't been sneezing up a storm. Yeah, that's all that's going on right now. Okay, so I'm with Lauren now. Hi. This is my senior photographer. She wants to start a YouTube channel. So if she does, I will definitely leave it down below and include it. That would be awesome. Yay! We'll show you some pictures when we're done. We will. All right. Bye, guys. I look so bad on my webcam. Okay, Lauren also got engaged on X Factor. She told me that while we were in the sunflower fields. It was around that time, towards the end of the photo shoot, she told me that she got engaged on X Factor. We were talking more about YouTube and stuff, and I was like, what the heck, I did not know that. And she was like, yeah, it has over 22 million views. And so I don't know, I had no idea she could sing. And so yeah, I'll leave that link to the video below as well. Just thought I would include that. On the dot. We are on the way. Yeah, we're on the way home. We're really 10 minutes from home. Okay, well, okay. But I am so excited. She's gonna post a preview picture tonight, so I'm definitely gonna include that in the vlog. She does want to start a YouTube channel, so I will definitely encourage her to do that and even help her start it up or something if she wants me to. Look at the difference that makeup makes. Bye, Shadow. You're really pretty. Alright, back to looking ugly. I don't know why I'm vlogging this. I think it's just kind of funny to see my before and after. I'm not gonna take off my eyebrows. I don't know if this angle is flattering. I mean, I'm not naked. I have a sweat bra on. But I was also late to both appointments today for me. So hair and makeup. Makeup was first, and I literally could not find her house because it was at her house, right? I parked in her neighbor's yard, someone down the street from her. I literally was in there for 5 minutes, and I had to look up her number on Instagram because I didn't have her number before. And I had to call her, and I was like, hi, I have an appointment with you, and I can't seem to find your house. It's like a tie-dye. Oh, that looks like a hickey, but it's a mosquito bite. I have them everywhere. That's about it. I just wanted you guys to see my makeup coming off and, laugh with me about how I look super different. So, yeah, that is about it for now. I don't know if I'm gonna end the vlog here, but if I am, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Oh, okay, that's it. Okay. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's down there somewhere. And also don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. And follow me on social media, Twitter and Instagram. They're both Kaylin with 2 I's and 2 N's at the end. It's in the description also. Just make sure you do that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!